To change presser feet on a Pfaff sewing machine, you'll notice that you don't need a screwdriver at all. All you need to do is push firmly down on both sides of the feet. Now you'll notice two things. Number one, there's a little place for the foot to hook back onto the presser foot here. There's a little bar. You can kind of lift it straight up and it will click right into place. Sometimes I'll even lower my presser foot down until it clicks on, and then I can lift it up and it'll be attached. But let me show you a little trick. So those of you who bought your Pfaff machine because you love the built-in walking foot or IDT, you've got to keep in mind that two things. Number one, the feet that you use the IDT engaged with have the groove in the back. If you are putting on a foot with a groove, be sure that that IDT is engaged. Now, if you have a foot without that groove, and there are stitches that you do not want to use the IDT for, and they will ask for feet such as the 2A foot. Make sure that your IDT is not engaged when you're trying to put it on, because it won't be easy and it will interfere with, well, everything the machine is known to do. So just make sure that if you're trying to put that on, disengage the IDT, and then you can lift the foot right up into position with no problem whatsoever.